Very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening.
I only have 5 minutes to run this evaluation. And just for the understanding of everyone, this general evaluator of the evaluations which have been done for the speakers. It is just the overall evaluation on how the meeting went well, like in terms of time, organization, and in terms of other arrangements. I'll take you through quickly. We started little late, like 5 minutes late, but adjustable. And a very fantastic call to order was done by Toastmaster Prithvish. And I was surprised how he has lost weight, because last 15 days back he was fat. Maybe he has some air pump washing. A very informative opening by our president. He informed us about various aspects which are going to come in, like the competition which is going to come and the other important things which we have achieved in 2014. Agenda changes and explanations were done by Toastmaster Day very well. And Noor explained very well the secret center rules, how this will run. And when it started with the word of the day, which is triumph. Okay? And do you feel that this meeting, which is the last of 2014, is really a triumph?
Yes.
Can we give a big applause to this guy, because he's especially two more times I school, right? Triumph for you. He was very sadly saying only 51. See the number of people we are. Toastmaster of the day, very well theme, which is basically how the habits are formed in brain and how they are deformed and dissolved with a very logical sequence which I have shared. I like the pepsodent and the monkey experiment a lot. Coming to the project speakers, very well speeches and very well evaluated by the lady evaluations team today. And yeah, because that was the good thing. No male evaluated any speaker today. I'm not going to say anything on the speaker side because it has already been conveyed to them what they need to improve on and what they need to make as a standard for the next speeches. Now I just want to come quickly to the resolutions. I'll not say these are the area for improvements. I would say these are the resolutions for 2015 which we should keep in our club. And one of the suggestions is that there's a list of resolutions which are given to us in every meeting from the general evaluator. But how many of them are taken abroad and taken on board and taken like as a corrective or preventive actions? That is missing. So one of the things which I am voluntarily taking is as a resolution for 2015, I'll personally note down all the points which have been given, which will be given by the general evaluator, and then each member or any of the members should take one as that point as a resolution and keep on track to resolve it, because this is how we will improve and how we become an excellent club. Okay, few resolutions from this meeting. From the Toastmaster of the day side or for other speakers who were basically using some slides and all, they were too much focused on the left side, because the layout is as such, like you stand here and you're focused here by default. You just ignore this side. So one of the resolutions is that we should really look to have a different layout. Yeah, because the lighting also, if I stand here, you can see me better now. If I stand here, you cannot see me better, right? That thing is we should work on. The introduction of a silent role players, so that was missing, and I think we should have a work instruction or a standard operating procedure for this meeting now, because we are a very mature club, and make it very clear that what has to be done first, and it should be given to the Toastmaster of the day to remember that. Loudness, like many of the evaluators have also highlighted, it is because I was sitting for the first time on that side. I normally sit on left to right. It was a problem actually, because I couldn't hear what many of the speakers are saying. And then one of the other important thing is the staging marking. We remember that, if you remember, we used to have a tape here, which used to restrict the overcoming of and missing the audience on the left and right side. So that again we should make as a standard. Layout of the room, as I said, we should really think about it. And there are certain defects which we are aware of, like in the time machine, and it is better if we explain this in the beginning, because these are known defects, so that to avoid confusion among the speakers. Voting, this point is specifically when the Toastmaster of the day announced that okay, it's a break time, but in between everything was still in progress, like voting, and then Noor was working on the Santa gifts, numbering and everything. So when it is said that it is a break, it is a break. Or if it is not a break, then let us say it is a break. So let us be very categorical and specific what we say would be act. And timer I really expected, because this meeting is overshooting in every aspect on time. So you should have in between raised the alarm, like we are this much time delayed, we are this much time delayed, so that every person, every role player is getting a feedback. Okay, I have to wrap up quickly and yeah. So with this, I just leave again this note that let us start taking these one as a resolution and take it forward and resolve it. Let us take a responsibility to improve our club, and wish you all again a very happy New Year and a happy Christmas. Let us have excellent 2015. Thanks so much.